Hi guys, we finally arrived. This is a room tour of 721 Overwater Suites, Cinnamon, Dhonveli. Absolutely gorgeous it is. This is amazing, much bigger than I expected it. At night the lights come on so you can see the fishes swimming. You can just sit in that lovely sofa, and there is one TV, remote controls, one for the aircon, one for the fan and one for the TV. The view, which I'll show you later. And then you've got desk for working, a Bose speaker, playing your music, all the information in those that you want, restaurant menu, if you can see that, you can always pause it, lights, and then probably my husband's favourite part, the minibar. We're a premium all-inclusive, so absolutely everything is included, including snacks. I think you just have to sign for every time you have something. We've got these lovely water bottles as well, complimentary. Lovely coffee machine. This gorgeous bed. Well, I'm hoping it is anyway. And another TV and another set of. We've got the fan again and all those. And then lovely breeze coming through. I think it's just sunbathing out there. We've literally just arrived. The suitcases haven't come yet, so another desk. These are all in, so we've got some stuff we don't have to pack. I've not really even looked in here yet, so let's have a look, shall we? Oh, so safe, iron, laundry, life jackets, raincoats apparently, and extra pillows and robes, drawers. So there's plenty of space to put your clothes. And then the bathroom. Beautiful. Towel rack. Spend many hours in here, hopefully. Your husband will probably spend many hours in there. Gorgeous shower. So bright and gorgeous in here. And then you press in here. Let's have a look what we've got. Little vanity kit, bathing bar, shower cream, shaving set, loofah pad, toothbrush and toothpaste, and a comb, so you really don't have to bring them. Yeah, air dryer. Oh, the glasses, absolutely gorgeous. Peek of the view. And towels. If we go back in here, and we'll go back out to what everybody says is the best bit. Sun's just coming round at the moment. This is, like I say, 721, so I think, hopefully, it's the sunset side. I'd say it's pretty private, steps going down. Can't really see anybody that side. There's quite a few what have got overlooking, and we're just overlooking 720, and that's about it. And then that's the rest of the resort there. Oh, jet skis. I'm not sure if there's something in the water over there, like a manta ray or something, but I'm sure we'll be exploring that later on. Just waiting for our suitcases now, and then we're going to explore and probably take an early night because it was such a long flight to get here. Right, we'll see you later.